Hi, it's Daniel Ramey with Circo Innovations. Today we're going to show you how to build the PVC photo booth. This is an inexpensive way and clean way to display your products for your social media platforms. This design is all in 1/2-inch PVC pipe. We're going to start with the parts list you need. For a pipe length, you're going to need 8 of the 26-inch sections of PVC pipe. Next, you're going to need 5 of these sections here. These are 42 inches long. Need 5 of those. You're going to need 20 of the snap clamps. That's these guys right here. This holds on your white material, create that nice box effect. Next, you're going to need 2 of the snap crosses. Those snap crosses are going to go in the back there. They're going to snap on so you can attach your backdrop, if you will, for your products. Next, you're going to need 8 of the 3-ways. The 3-ways are going to go and make the box effect down here. So you're going to need 8 of the 3-way fitting there. Next, you're just going to need 1 white sheet and you're all set. You can attach your lights onto it, portable lights like this. Start recording and taking pictures of your products. All right, how to build this design. It's pretty simple, but we'll go over it. The 3-ways are going to be your box, 4 on the bottom, 4 on the top. The sections that go up here, those are the 26-inch section. Also the 26 are those ones there on all sides. Then you have 5 of these 42-inch sections of pipe. Those are for the long ways on the bottom and long ways on the top. And that last one is for that backdrop there that attaches to the snap crosses. Super easy design. You can customize it and add stuff. Go to our website at www.circoinnovations.com. Hope you enjoyed this design.